Do you still confuse make and do? Do you stop speaking because you're not sure which one to use? Don't worry. In the next 10 minutes, you'll learn one simple rule, and you'll never confuse them again.
Welcome to Real Easy Talks, where you learn real English through real conversations. Relax, listen, and improve your English step by step.
Anna, many English learners ask the same question. What is the difference between make and do?
There is one simple rule. Make is for creating or producing something new. Do is for actions, work, or tasks.
So, make means create. Do means action.
Exactly. You make a mistake, you make a decision, you make progress, and
And I do my homework. I do my job. I do my best.
let's practice.
Sentence 1, I blank my best. Correct answer, I do my best.
Sentence 2. She blank a decision yesterday.
Correct answer, she made a decision.
Sentence 3. They blank progress every day.
Correct answer, they make progress.
Remember, make creates something new.
Subscribe to Real Easy Talks. Listen every day and speak English naturally.